In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix common cursor issues quickly. If cursor is lagging, failing to respond, or throwing errors, these tried and true checks usually get you back on track without any complicated troubleshooting. First, restart cursor. It sounds simple, but a full restart clears temporary glitches and refreshes background processes. Fully quit the app, not just close the window. On some systems, that means right-clicking the icon and choosing quit, or using a force quit option if it's unresponsive. Wait a few seconds to let processes shut down, then reopen cursor. Many performance hiccups disappear after a clean relaunch because batch tasks and partial sessions get reset. Next, check your internet connection and any VPN or proxy you might be using. Cursor relies on a stable connection, and network filters can block key services. Quickly test your connection by loading a couple of websites or running a brief speed test. If you're on a VPN or behind a proxy, temporarily disable it and try cursor again. If you're on a corporate or school network with strict policies, a personal or home network may behave differently. The goal is simply to confirm that cursor can reach its servers without interference. If things still aren't working, visit the status page at status.cursor.sh. This page shows whether cursor is experiencing an outage or degraded performance. If there's an ongoing incident, the best move is to wait until the issue is resolved. You can check the timestamp and any updates the team has posted. Knowing it's a platform-side issue can save you time and prevent unnecessary changes on your computer. Now, take a look at your prompts. Very long or complex prompts can cause failures or timeouts. Try simplifying what you're asking for. Split big tasks into smaller steps, reduce repetitive context, and run them one at a time. For example, instead of requesting a full refactor and tests in one go, ask for the refactor first, then follow up with tests. Smaller, focused prompts are faster to process and easier to debug if something goes wrong. Finally, sign out and back in to refresh your authentication. Open the account menu, choose Sign Out, then close Cursor, reopen it, and sign back in. This refreshes your session and tokens, which can resolve errors related to expired or corrupted authentication. Keep your credentials secure and avoid sharing any sensitive information on screen. Work through these steps in order, restart, verify your network or VPN, check the status page, simplify your prompts, and refresh your sign-in. In most cases, one of these clears the issue, and you can get back to building with Cursor.